Hello everyone, today we have a 2014 Toyota Sienna XLE. Sounds smooth, so I'll go ahead and drop the hood and take you for a tour. Let's have alloy wheels. It does have leather seats. These two are fold flat in the back. And it does have the center seat. It goes right there, so it would seat 8. It's a light gray leather. It does have a sunroof also. This also has the sunshades, you can see right there, come up in all the rear windows. There's a shot of the VIN right here. All right, you see that it has 58,591 miles on this vehicle. Here's your push to talk. And your other stereo toggles right there. So you come over here. Right now it is showing us the comfort controls. So have our stereo. Oh. And there we go. Now that won't buzz us out. But at any rate, you do have the ability, excuse me, to connect to your phone and play off your phone. Then you've also got your drive. Come down here, here's your shifter. And, oh, there they are down there. I was looking for the heated seats. There are the heated seats in the front. Additional power supply right there. Cup holders, additional stowage and power supplies. There's 2 other power supplies down here. And 2 more cup holders. And very deep stowage right there. As you come up above, you're going to have your glasses holder, but also your conversation mirror. And there's your sunroof right there. That about wraps it up for this Toyota. It does have a branded title. There's an impact here in the front. And it also resulted in minor damage in the back, this accident. The airbags deployed, but there wasn't any structural damage. As you can see, we've got it all fixed up and it has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.